Hello everyone, let us continue our discussion on set theory. In this session, we will discuss difference of sets and complement of a set and its properties. Difference of sets. Definition of difference of sets and difference of two sets A and B. Difference of A and B is denoted as A minus B. A minus B means difference of A and B. If you write B minus A, then it is difference of B and A. Difference of A and B is A minus B. Difference of B and A is B minus A. B minus A means difference of B and A. A minus B means difference of A and B. Difference of two sets A and B is denoted as A minus B. Then what is the definition of difference of sets? Let R A and B be two sets. Let A and B, let capital A and capital B be two sets. Then set of elements of A, set of elements belongs to A but not belongs to B is nothing but A minus B. Let A and B be two sets, full point. Then the set of elements which belongs to, then the set of elements belongs to set A but not set B is called difference of A and B, and difference of A and B is denoted as A minus B. That's equal to X belongs to A but not, or X belongs to A but X not belongs to B. This is definition of difference of sets. Then set of all elements which belongs to A but not belongs to B is called A minus B, or difference of A and B. Set of all those elements which belongs to first set but not belongs to second set is nothing but difference of first set and second set. Once again, definition of difference of sets. Let capital A and capital B be two sets, full point. Then the set of elements which belongs to A but not B, here A means capital A, which belongs to A but not belongs to B is called difference of A and B, and it is denoted with A minus B. Difference of A and B is denoted with A minus B. Difference of B and A is denoted with B minus A. A minus B means belongs to A but not belongs to B. I will take one example. Suppose set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two sets. Set A 2, 4, 6, 8. Set B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are interested in finding A minus B. A minus B 2, 4, 6, 8 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is meaning of A minus B? Write all those elements in A but not in B. A minus B. 2 present in both the sets. Don't write 2. 4 present in both the sets. 6 which is not there in second set means we need to write 6. Then 8 which is not there in B. Write all those elements in A but not in B. Write such elements. It gives A minus B. A minus B means all those elements in A but not in B. Don't write 5. All the elements in A but not in B is nothing but A minus B or difference of A and B. B minus A. In the same example, what is B minus A? 1 which is not there in first set means we can write 1. B minus A means all those elements in B but not in A. 1. 2. It is common, don't write 2. Then 3 which is not there in first set, 3. 4 which is there in first set. Then 5 which is not there in first set. This is our B minus A, this is our A minus B. Just remember A minus B means set of all those elements in A but not in B. All those elements in A but not in B is called A minus B or is called difference of sets A and B. Difference of sets capital A and capital B. This is example, it is A minus B and B minus A. Then Venn diagram for A minus B and B minus A. Next point. Venn diagram for A minus B and B minus A. We need to draw Venn diagrams for A minus B and B minus A. First one, Venn diagram for A minus B. Consider a rectangle and two sets A and B. It is A, it is set B and it is universal set U. Universal set means it is a bigger set. A minus B, which region represents A minus B? A minus B means A but not B. A but not B means A minus B. Exclude common region. This region represents A minus B. This region represents A minus B. A but not B means except common region. This region represents, shaded region represents A minus B. It represents shaded region represents A minus B. This is common region, this is A intersection B only. This part is this part. Common part is A intersection B. After that, Venn diagram for B minus A. Venn diagram for set difference of B and A. Just take a rectangle and it is universal set. Consider two sets, capital A and capital B. In this case, B minus A means B but not A. B but not A means this region. This shaded region represents B minus A. B minus A means B but not A. This shaded region represents B minus A. This is set B minus set A. Simply remember, A minus B means A but not B. B minus A means B but not A. This is Venn diagram for A minus B. This is Venn diagram for B minus A. After that, symmetric difference. It is difference of sets. This is difference of sets. Now we will discuss symmetric difference of sets or simply symmetric difference. Next, symmetric difference. Next, symmetric difference of two sets. Symmetric difference of two sets. Definition: let capital A and capital B, let capital A and capital B be two sets. Clearly, capital A and capital B be two sets. Then the set A minus B union B minus A. Let capital A and capital B be two sets. Then the set A minus B union B minus A is called symmetric difference of A and B. Is called symmetric difference of the sets capital A and capital B. The set A minus B union B minus A. This is one of the set. This is known as symmetric difference of the sets capital A and capital B, and it is denoted as A symmetric difference B. A triangle B. It is not A triangle B. Just read as A symmetric difference B. A symmetric difference B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. A symmetric difference B is nothing but A minus B union B minus A. Let capital A and capital B be two sets. Then the set A minus B union B minus A is called symmetric difference of the sets capital A and capital B. This is symbol for symmetric difference. Don't read as triangle. A symmetric difference B. A symmetric difference B is nothing but A minus B union B minus A. If I take P and Q are two sets, then what is symmetric difference of P and Q? Capital P and capital Q. Symmetric difference of P and Q is equal to, what is symmetric difference of P and Q? Symmetric difference of P and Q means P minus Q union Q minus P. Symmetric difference is also one set. It represents P minus Q union Q minus P. Symmetric difference of A and B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. Symmetric difference of two sets. Let capital A and capital B be two sets. Then the set A minus B union B minus A is called symmetric difference of the sets capital A and capital B, and it is denoted as A symmetric difference B. This is symbol for symmetric difference of A and B. A symmetric difference B. It is not A triangle B. A symmetric difference B. Now, Venn diagram for symmetric difference of two sets. Venn diagram for symmetric difference of two sets. Venn diagram for Venn diagram for symmetric difference of two sets. What is symmetric difference? A minus B union B minus A. This region, shaded region, represents symmetric difference of two sets. This shaded region, in this diagram, shaded region represents symmetric difference of A and B. A but not B, B but not A. And remember one more thing, A minus B is nothing but A in words, A but not B. Meaning of A minus B means A but not B. Then what is meaning of B minus A? B minus A means B but not B minus A means B but not A. A minus B means A but not B. This shaded region represents symmetric difference of two sets. Symmetric difference. This shaded region represents symmetric difference of two sets. Unshaded region represents, what is unshaded region? It is common. Means this is A intersection B. This is A minus B, this is B minus A. Together is called symmetric difference. This shaded region represents symmetric difference. Unshaded region represents intersection. Symmetric difference of two sets. After that, complement of a set. Next, complement of the set. Next, complement of a set. Complement of a set. And complement of set A is denoted with A prime or A power C. A complement. Complement of A is denoted with A dash or A power C. This is the symbol for complement of A. Both are one and the same. A prime means complement of set A. A complement, it is also A complement. Complement of the set is denoted with A prime or A power C. Then what is A complement? A be any set. A be any set and U be the universal set. A be a set and U be the universal set. Then the set U minus A. Then the set U minus A is called complement of A. This is known as complement of set A. A be any set. A be a set and U be the universal set. A be any set, U be the universal set, then the set U minus A. u minus a is called a complement. Then a complement equal to, what is a complement? A complement means universal set minus given set. If you want B complement, what is the definition of B complement? B complement means u minus b. If you want C complement, then it will be u minus c. It is definition of complement of a set. A be any set and u be the universal set, then the set u minus a is called complement of A. It is denoted as a power c or a prime. A prime indicates complement of A. Next, Venn diagram for complement of a set. 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 In this case, complement means it is only one set. It is universal set and it is given set. It is A. A complement definition. A complement means A complement is equal to u minus A. Which region represents u minus A? U but not A. U minus A means u but not A. This region represents complement of A. This shaded region represents A complement. What is meaning of A complement? A complement means U but not A. This is set A. Unshaded region represents set A. Shaded region represents A complement. What is meaning of A complement? A complement means U minus A. Definition itself suggests U but not A. Complement of A means U but not A. It is like difference of two sets, but in this case difference of universal set and given set. A complement is nothing but U minus A. U minus A is called complement of A. Roughly remember, complement of A means U minus A. U but not A. Difference means A but not B. Difference of A and B means A but not B. Difference of B and A means B but not A. In the same way, complement means U minus A. What is meaning of U minus A? U minus A means U but not A. This is Venn diagram for A complement. This shaded region represents A complement, unshaded region represents A. Now, properties of complement of a set. Next, properties of complement of sets. Very first one, what is A prime? This is for complement. This is equal to U minus A. Second one, What is universal set complement? Complement of universal set is equal to, by definition of complement, what is U complement? U complement means U minus U only. U minus U means it is not 0. In sets don't write 0, instead of 0 write null set. U complement, U complement is nothing but, by definition of complement, universal set minus universal set, clearly it is null set. U complement is equal to null set. Then complement of null set, that's equal to, by definition it will be U minus null set. U minus null set which has no elements means universal set only. Then next property, A complement of complement. If you take complement twice, it gives the original set only. If you take complement twice, it gives original set. Complement of complement is given set only. Complement of complement is equal to A. Complement of complement gives set A. Next, A intersection A complement value. What are the common elements in A and A complement? There is no common elements in A and A complement, because shaded region is A complement, unshaded region is A. There is no common elements in A and A complement, means A intersection A complement gives, A intersection A complement gives null set, because there is no common elements in between set A and its complement. There is no common elements in A and A complement, hence it is null set. Next, if you take A union A complement, if you take shaded region and unshaded region, it gives, A means unshaded region, A complement means shaded region, together, union means together. These two regions together is nothing but universal set. If you take union of A and A complement, it gives universal set. Intersection is null set. If you add these two regions, it gives clearly universal set only, means this rectangle represents universal set. A union A complement is equal to U. Just look at Venn diagram. The shaded region means A complement, unshaded region means A. If you add these two regions, clearly it gives universal set U. In between A complement and A, there is no common elements. So intersection is equal to, A intersection A complement is equal to null set. A union A complement is equal to universal set. Next, A union B whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. Here union is there, it becomes intersection. And next one, A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. These two identities, these two rules, or these two properties are called De Morgan's laws. De Morgan is one of the scientists. De Morgan's laws. These two properties are called De Morgan's properties or De Morgan's laws. De Morgan is one of the scientist. A union B whole complement is A complement intersection B complement. A intersection B whole complement is A complement union B complement. These properties are very important. Just remember A union B. These all properties are very important. A union B whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement, and A intersection B whole complement is A complement union B complement. A complement, just it is definition, A complement is equal to U minus A. U complement means here U itself is one set, but it is universal set. U minus U is null set. Null, complement of null set gives universal set. Complement of complement is equal to A. A intersection A complement. There is no elements in A and A complement. There is no common elements in A and A complement. So their intersection is null set. Then if you add A union A complement is equal to universal set. Together A and its complement, set and its complement gives universal set. Now let us discuss problems on difference of sets and complement of sets. Next problem, if set A is equal to, if set A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and set B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Find first one A minus B, second one B minus A, third one asymmetric difference B. Asymmetric difference B. Now, first one A minus B. First replace set A and set B. Set A is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. Minus A minus B means A but not B. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now what is definition of A minus B? A minus B means A but not B. All those elements in A but not in B. Write such elements. 3 which is present in first set but not in second set, so we can write 3. 6 which is present in first set but it is not in second set, so we can write 6. Then 9 which is not there in second set. 12 which is there in second set, so no need to write 12. Write all those elements in A but not in B. 12 which is there in second set, so don't write. 15 which is not there in second set. Next 18 which is not there in second set. 21 which is not there in second set. A minus B means write all those elements in A but not in B. All those elements in A but not in B means A minus B. Next, similarly write B minus A. First replace set B. 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20 minus set A 3, 6, 9, 12, 12, 15, 18 and 21. B minus A means write all those elements in B but not in A. All those elements in B but not in A. Write such elements. 4 which is not there in second set, so I will write 4. After that, can we write 8? Yes. Why? Because 8 not there in second set. Then can we write 12? No. Why? Because which is there in second set. Write all those elements in first set but not in second set is nothing but their difference. So 12 which is there in second set, so don't write 12. 16, can we write? Yes. Why? Because 16 present in first set only but not there in second set. 20, clearly this is A minus B and this is B minus A. After that, this is first one and it is second one and third one. We need to find symmetric difference. Asymmetric difference B. By definition, what is asymmetric difference B? Third one, asymmetric difference B. Asymmetric difference B equal to formula A minus B union B minus A. Asymmetric difference B is nothing but A minus B union B minus A. Already we have A minus B, or directly write A minus B. It is A minus B. What is our A minus B? That is 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. Union B minus A. What is B minus A? This is our B minus A. 4, 8, 16 and 20. After that, already you know union of two sets. Write all those elements in A or in B or in both the sets. 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 20. 3, 6, 9, sorry, write all those elements in A or in B. 3, after 3, here 4 is there, 4. After that, 5 is not there in both the sets. Next go for 6. After 6, 7 is not there, but 8 is there in second set, 8. After 8, 9 is there, 9. After 9, check whether 10 is there or not. No, 10 is not there. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 also not there. Directly 15, 16. After that 18, 20 and 21. Union means write all those elements in A or in B or in both the sets. This is asymmetric difference B. Asymmetric difference B. For finding asymmetric difference B, we need A minus B and B minus A. Thank you.